Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, my student. How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm
Thank
fine,
you.
Miss.
Okay,
I'm
thank
fine.
you. Okay. Before starting our lesson today, let's pray first. Pray begin. Finish. Well, everybody, please pay attention. I want to check your attendance. Zianisa,
Present, Miss.
Aulia,
Present, Miss.
Rizka,
Present, Miss.
Al,
Present, Miss.
Hana,
Present, Miss.
okay. In this opportunity, we're gonna study about probability. Before we're gonna study, I have some motivation for you. No one has the ability to do something perfectly, but each person is given a lot of opportunity to do something right. And if opportunity doesn't knock with a door, can't combine. Table contents for probability, introduction to probability, formula for probability, conditional probability, finding hidden data, and exercise. What is this topic about? Probability is the chance that something will happen, how likely it is that some event will occur. Sometimes we can measure a probability with a number like 10% chance, or we can use words such as impossible, unlikely, possible, even chance, likely, and certain. For example, it is unlikely to rain tomorrow. As a number, probability is from 0. You can look at the picture. Probability is from 0 is impossible to 1 is certain. Formula for probability. The probability formula is defined as the possibility of an event to happen is equal to the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes and the total number of outcomes. The formula is probability of an event happening equals to number of ways it can happen over total number of outcomes. And then independent events. Event can be independent, meaning its event is not affected by any other event. For example, tossing a coin. The toss of a coin is a perfect isolated thing. What it did in the past will not affect the current toss. The chance is simple, 1 in 2 or 50%, just like any toss of the coin. So its toss is an independent event. Example 2, marbles in a bag. 2 blue and 3 red marbles are in bag. What are the chances of getting a blue marble? Look at the picture. The chance is 2 in 5. But after taking one out, the chance change. So the next time, if we got a red marble before, then the chance of a blue marble next is 2 in 4. If we got a blue marble before, then the chance of a blue marble next is 1 in 4. This is because we are removing marbles from the bag, so the next event depends on what happening in the previous event and is called dependent. Replacement note: if we replace the marbles in the bag each time, then the chance do not change and the events are independent. With replacement, is the events are independent or the chance don't change. Without replacement, is the events are dependent, is the chance change. And then tree diagram. A tree diagram is a wonderful way to picture what is going on. So let's build one for our marbles example. There is a 2/5 chance of pulling out a blue marble and a 3/5 chance for red. You can look at the picture. We can go one step further and see what happens when we pick a second marble. If a blue marble was selected first, there is now a 1/4 chance of getting a blue marble and 3/4 chance of getting a red marble. If a red marble was selected first, there is now a 2/4 chance of getting a blue marble and a 2/4 chance of getting a red marble. Now we can answer questions like, what are the chances of drawing 2 blue marbles? The answer, it is a 2/5 chance followed by a 1/4 chance is 2/5 times 1/4 equals to 2/20 equals 1/10. Did you see how we multiplied the chance and got 1/10 as a result? The chance of drawing 2 blue marble is 1/10. Notation. We love notation in mathematics. It means we can then use the power of algebra to play around with the idea. So here is the notation for probability. PA means probability of event A. In our marbles example, event A is get a blue marble first with a probability of 2/5. PA equals 2/5. And even B is get a blue marble second. But for the we have to choose. If we got a blue marble first, the chance is now 1/4. If we got a red marble first, the chance is now 2/4. So we have to say which one we want and use the symbol absolute to mean given. P, B given A means even B given even A. In other words, even A has already happened. Now what is the chance of even B? Even B given even A is also called the conditional probability of B given A. And in our case, even B given even A equals 1/4. So the probability of getting 2 blue marbles is PA equals 2/5 and even B given even A equals 1/4. And then PA times PBA equals 1/10. And we write it as probability of PA is even A and B is even B. PA times PBA, the absolute mutlak, call it given. Probability of even A and even B equals the probability of even A times the probability of even B given even A. Let's do the next example using only notation. Let's do the next example using only notation. For example, drawing 2 kings from a deck. Even A is drawing a king first, and even B is drawing a king second. For the first card, the chance of drawing a king is 4 out of 52. There are 4 kings in a deck of 52 cards. Probability A equals 4/52. But after removing a king from the deck, the probability of the second card drawn is less likely to be a king. Is only 3 of the 51 cards left are kings. Probability even B given even A equals to 3/51. So probability A and B equals probability A times probability even B given even A equals 4/52 times 3/51 equals 12/2600 equals 12/2652 equals 1/221. So the chance of getting 2 kings is 1 in 221 or about 0.5%. Finding hidden data using algebra, we can also change the subject of the formula like this. Start with probability even A and probability even B equals probability even A times probability even B given even A. Swap sides, probability even A times probability even B given even A equals probability even A and probability even B divided by probability A equals probability even B given probability even A equals probability even A and probability even B over probability even A. And we have another useful formula. The probability of even B given even A equals the probability of even A and even B divided by the probability of even A. For example, ice cream, 70% of your friends like chocolate and 35% like chocolate and like strawberry. What percent of those who like chocolate also like strawberry? Probability even strawberry given even chocolate equals probability chocolate and strawberry over probability chocolate. And then 0.35 divided by 0.7 equals to 50%. 50% of your friends who like chocolate also like strawberry. For exercise, in a box we have 2 balls. 4 are pink, 10 are orange, 6 are blue. Could you calculate the probability to extract each color? The answer is blue is 30%, orange 50%, black is 0%, and pink 20%. Since the material is finished, I will give you worksheet. Since the material is finished, I will give you worksheet. I will give you 30 minutes to work.
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay, Miss.
Miss.
Okay.
Example, from a set of bridge cards, 2 cards will be drawn at random. Determine the probability of drawing an S or red card. Answer, a set of bridge cards and S equals 52. A equals an as S is drawn and A equals 4. PA equals 4 over 52. B equals a red card drawn and B equals 26. PB equals 26 over 52. A intersects B equals a red axis and A multiplied B equals 2. PA intersects B equals 2 over 52. So the probability of an ace or a red card is PA union B equals PA plus PB minus PAB equals 4 over 52 plus 26 over 52 minus 2 over 52 equals 28 over 52.
Good job, Janisa. Okay, next. Come on, Aulia.
Yes, Miss. So the second is when 2 dice are tossed together, find the probability that the sum of dice will appear, 4 or 8. So the answer is 2 dice and S equals to 6 times 6 equals 36. A is the number of dice appears 4, equals to 1 and 3, 2 and 2, 3 and 1. So the NA is 3 and probability of A is 4 over 36. B equals to the number of the dice appears 8, equals to 2 and 6, 3 and 5, 4 and 4, 5 and 3, 6 and 2. So the NB is Boleh. Ini sama. So the second is when two dice are together, find the probability that the sum of the dice will appear 4 or 8. So dice and S equals to 6 times 6 equals to 36. A equals to the number of the dice appears 4 equals to 1 and 3, 2 and 2, 3 and 1. And A is 3 and the probability of A is 4 over 36. And B is number of dice appears 8 equals to 2 and 6, 3 and 5, 4 and 4, 5 and 3, 6 and 2. So the NB is 5 and the probability of B is 5 over 36. A intersection of B equals to N AB is 0. So the probability that the sum of the dice is 4 or 8 is probability A union to B equals to probability of A plus probability of B equals to 4 over 36 plus 4 plus 36 equals to 9 over 36.
Okay, thank you, Olia. Good job.
You're welcome, Miss.
And then number 3, Olivia.
Wait, Miss.
Okay.
Number 3, events are mutually exclusive. Two events A and B are said to be independent if event A does not affect the occurrence of event B, and otherwise, so the probability of events A and B can be expressed by PAB equal PA times PB. The example, a coin and a dice are tossed together once. Determine the probability of emergence numbers on the currency and even numbers on the dice. The answer, a coin n times s equal to a equal number side appears and a equal 1. PA, the equal is die and S equal 6. B equal appear even number equal to 4 and 6. And B equal 3. The PB is so the probability of getting the number side on the coin and an even number on the die is PAB equal PA times PB. And the answer is half times 3 over 6 equal is 3 over 12.
Okay, good job, Olivia. Okay, the next question. Rizka.
Yes, Miss. B. And for conditional event, two events E, A, and B are said to be conditional or independent if event affect the occurrence of event A and B can be expressed by PAB equals PA times PB over A, where PB over A is the probability of event B provided the event A occurs first, where PAB equals PB times PA over B, where PA over B is the probability of event A provided that event B occur first. For example, a box contains 5 red balls of M, 4 yellow balls. If 2 balls are to be drawn on a time without return, then find the probability that a yellow ball is drawn off the first draw and a red ball on the second take. And the answer is a box contains 5 red balls and 4 yellow balls, so NS equals 9. A equals a yellow ball is drawn on the first draw. So PA equals 4 over 9 without replacement, so that the box contains 5 red ball and 3 yellow balls, so NS equals 8. Ke bawahin, Lis. Equals a red ball, so PB over A equals 5 over 8. So the probability of getting a yellow ball on the second row and a red ball on the second row is PAB equals PA times PB over A equals 4 over 9 times 5 over 8 equals 5 over 18.
Okay, thank you, Rizka. Good job. Okay, the conclusion. Probability is opportunity, or probability is a possibility that may occur or arise from an event. I think that's all finished for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.